Okay, we're making a stop partway there.
Yeah.
There's our bus. It's cloudy, but the clouds are pretty cool. So, quick look around here. There's the valley. Another stop. It's still kind of cold and wet. But these are called the Mirror Lakes for obvious reasons.
Where is the reflection?
Clouds are kind of hiding the mountains, but you can see them up there a little bit. We're heading back up to the bus.
Let's just tell you how he describes this park. What he says is a cherished corner of the world where mountains and valleys compete with each other for room, where scale is almost beyond comprehension, rain. So here, if you look to the right, you get a good look down that Milford Valley. So that whole valley was all covered up by that glacier about 10,000 years ago. Stop here at that Monkey's Creek, and if you have a drinking bottle and would like to fill it up with probably the best water in the world, there is a creek right in front here that lets you do so.
It is amazing. As the clouds start to pull away. Man. That's just amazing. Alright, just another view a little ways away from the bus. Don't know how this is turning out, but man, this is amazing. It might be snowing, so there's that. But man, just look at those mountains.
The main obstacle they had when they were building the tunnel is the rock. Like I mentioned earlier on about the Sunalp rock being different, it's a very solid granite with a lot of quartz in it. And they actually believe that it's one of the hardest granites in the world.
Awesome. And cold. Very cold. All those waterfalls.
This side of the fjord now gets around 8 meters of rainfall per.
Out of the tunnel. After this. Wow. We're walking down this path to something called the Chasm. I think this might be it. There's a bridge.
Look out for the other people. You put it down, please. Ben, put it down.
It's getting louder and there's a warning sign, so I think we actually found it this time. not what I expected, but that's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Yeah, they're all smooth. That's really cool. Wow. There's a second bridge. Some blue sky coming out. It's gonna be awesome. That's not our boat, that's the other boat over. We're still waiting for ours. Pulling out. Check it out.
The boat bought the phone quite nicely. It hasn't been rainy over the last couple of days, but it's still really happy to see.
It's a 505-foot waterfall.
And then it goes shallow, and the shallow part is where that glacier stopped, and then it goes back out into the deeper part again.